Are you ready for a quick test? Can you spot my microphone right now? Exactly. That's what makes the Hollyland Lark M2S kinda special. I took it out here in the Swiss countryside to put it through its paces, including a full-on distance test, and it held up pretty well. Let me show you what makes this little mic a serious contender for anyone doing video vlogs or field interviews. Hollyland sent me their Lark M2S for free to test and review. This kit is ready to go, straight out of the case, no fiddling, no stress. Setup couldn't be easier. Pop the units out of the case, they auto power on and pair instantly. For camera users, slide the receiver into the cold shoe mount, connect the 3.5mm cable and done in under a minute. If you're using the mobile version, plug the receiver into your phone. You can even pass through charge so you can record while choosing up your phone. Let's talk about some key features of the Lark M2S. The transmitter has an ultra-compact design and weighs just 7 grams. It features a pearl-sized mic head that provides a sleek, discreet look with no logo and sits elegantly outside your clothing. Its innovative titanium alloy clip-on design ensures a super secure fit and keeps the mic firmly in place. It records 24-bit 48 kHz audio with a maximum sound pressure level of 115 dB and 70 dB signal-to-noise ratio for crisp and professional sound. It supports environmental noise cancellation with a single tap to eliminate background hums and low-frequency distractions. It supports a maximum theoretical range of up to 300 meters, and I tested it successfully at 125 meters line of sight. The battery of each unit lasts up to 9 hours, and the charging case extends that usage to over 24 hours. You can toggle between mono and stereo recording modes depending on your needs. A physical knob lets you easily switch between low, medium and high gain levels on the fly. Let's do a distance test with Hollyland's Lark M2S. I have the receiver mounted on top of the camera. Here I have my microphone with a fluffy because it's windy here, so I'm protected from the wind, and I want to walk this direction here to see how far I can go until we get cut out. Obviously we don't want to be too small because then it doesn't really make sense anymore, but it's always good to have a strong signal because that makes also, if something is in between, the signal is stronger and you don't lose the signal as fast. Let's check it out. I'm standing 2 meters away from the camera, facing the camera, but I will be walking away and so not facing the camera. Let's see how far the signal goes. Let's get it started here. Recording, perfect. 2 meters I'm at the moment. Let's walk. And right now I'm at 5 meters, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I'm 2 meters in front of the camera, facing the camera, and I'm walking away now, facing the camera the whole time. And let's see how far we can go until we get cut out. Recording, and let's go. 2 meters. So let's go backwards. I have to go backwards the whole time. 5 meters. And right now I'm at 10 meters in front of the camera. Let's see how far we can go backwards. That's maybe the interesting part. 15 meters, 20 meters, 30 meters, 40 meters, 50 meters. Hello, you see me here? I'm 50 meters in front of the camera, facing the camera. 60, 70 meters, 80 meters in front of the camera, 90 meters in front of the camera, and right now at 100 meters in front of the camera. You still see me here, 100 meters in front of the camera, facing the camera. So let's continue here. 110, 115, 120, 125, 130. Wow, this is really taking its time here. 135. I'm standing 2 meters in front of the camera, holding the microphone in one hand at the moment, and on the other side I have this drone here, the Hover X1 Pro Max, and I want to just see how well the noise reduction works on the Lark M2S. So let's get started here. Right now you hear the without the drone noise. Now as I'm talking here, the drone starts flying here, and right now the drone is approximately 1 meter away from me, and now I'm walking away. I'm approximately 2 meters away in front of the camera. The drone is filming me, and right now I'm turning on noise reduction on the Lark M2S. Do you hear a difference? I have the microphone right in the same distance like before. You make sure it's on. The light is green, yes. Do you hear a difference? I'm sure you hear a difference, but is it actually still very clear? Does it actually fade out the drone? That'll be very interesting to see, because some of the drones, especially the selfie drones, they just are filming you and are pretty close, but they're also pretty noisy. And if you want to record sounds, that's something that's not very, it would be better if you don't have that. We do a test with the Hover X1 Pro Max, do an orbit around our set here, have noise reduction on right now on the Lark M2S, and I want to see how well this is, because when you shoot something, it's nice to have some camera moves, some drone moves all around you, and don't want to hear the noise. So I'm really eager to see how well the noise reduction works on the Lark M2S when there's a drone hovering all around you. So I set the Hover X1 Pro Max to basic orbit us twice, around 4 meters away from us, and I'm hoping that we don't really hear the drone too much. So the 2 circles are now done, and the drone is supposed to come towards me now and should be landing here on my hand. You see this? Here we go. I'm here in Einsiedeln in Switzerland. In the back you can see the monastery of Einsiedeln. I've been here for a long time. I guess I was a child when I was here, but I thought it would be a nice place to test out the Lark M2S. As you can see here, I have the receiver mounted on the side of my phone, and I have here the microphone with a puffy on it because it's a bit windy, and I wanted to have clear sound, and I thought it would be a nice place to test out this combination here. This way you get a bit of better sound than the built-in microphone that comes with the iPhone. And I just thought, let's see how this works in real life environment. And I thought Einsiedeln would be the right place in this beautiful day here to test it out. Let's wrap up with the things I loved and the things that could be better. The mic's tiny logo-free design blends into clothing and doesn't distract on camera. It delivers clean, full-spectrum sound even in windy or noisy environments. The charging case adds over 24 hours of power and makes storage and transport super convenient. It doesn't offer internal recording, so if there's interference, you can't recover the lost audio. You can't adjust gain or see volume indicators on the mobile receiver, only the camera version has that knob. None of these are deal breakers for me, but good to know depending on how you plan to use it. So, should you pick up the Hollyland Lark M2S? If you're looking to clean audio, minimalistic gear and setups that just work, then yeah, 100%. This thing punches way above its size and price. It has become my go-to when I need wireless mics on the move, especially for stealthy shoots or as a solo content creator. If you have been using a bulky lav setup or something with tons of cables, you will instantly feel the freedom this gives you. Hit me in the comments, what mic are you using right now, and are you thinking of going wireless? And right now I have the Hover X1 Pro Max following me here, which will be one of my next review. Check it out here, follow, like, and I would love to see you around here. Thanks for watching, bye for now. Wow, it's really cool here. We're walking, I'm curious to see how I can go here. Sideways is a bit different here.